Got it anyway.
Dang, it's big.
It's really big. Let's see, let's have it in comparison. So I'm about 6 foot. I think the wingspan's 60 inches, tip to tip, not including the sweep. So if you straightened out the sweep, it'd be really big, but I'd say a solid 5 foot wingspan. I don't even know if you can hear that.
Yeah, probably
But
not.
whatever, it's fine.
It's been a while since I've done a purely RC project, but I met some people at university that fly RC planes, and I needed something to fly. I wanted something with a good glide ratio and simple construction. Delta wings are easy to make, so I decided to go with that. I also gave it this high aspect ratio, which made it look cool and fly how I wanted it to. For the power system, I'm using a 2204 brushless with a 5-inch prop, which is running off of a 3-cell 500 milliamp hour battery. This setup makes around 12 ounces of thrust. It will take off vertically. I'm using a KF step airfoil, so the stall characteristics of this plane are pretty good.
No! Glasses fell off.
Overall, this plane's actually really fun to fly, and
Oh,
it's
that's so
super
good.
versatile in what it can do. It can even carry my run cam without any problems, and I'll showcase that in a second.
Wow.
I also expect to be eventually doing FPV with it.
Whoa, what the heck? It actually really likes inverted. Uh-oh. That shouldn't have happened.
You still have the camera on there?
No.
Oh no.
Oh no. Get it.
Ooh.
That's fast.
When I was still testing the plane, we got impatient and decided to go fly it at night, so we outfitted an Arduino and some LEDs to the plane, and it looks really, really cool flying in the
Try
night.
to do a low flyby.
Whoa.
Yeah, try to turn around, do another. Whoa! Once the tip stall there. That's cool. Oh my god.
You almost crashed it again.
It just totally wants to tip stall on that turn.
How's the handling?
It's really good, actually.
Yeah.
I was
Here's the flight footage from the run cam I put on the nose. So that about wraps up the video. I may be releasing plans for this plane or be doing more videos on it, not sure. I just thought it was a cool project, and let me know if you guys want to see more of this in the future. So thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you soon.
Now you're really, really close. Yeah.
I'll make this my thumbnail. Wait. Literal thumbnail. Wait, move your arm around.
Thumbnail.
Wait, here, I'm gonna move back a little bit, and then just leave it.
Yeah, and then you'll like do a zoom in of your thumb.
Okay. Oh my god.
Okay.